Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to do a zoom in effect in CapCut. Now this is very easy in CapCut, so let's bring our piece of media we want to do the effect on into our timeline like that, and then let's say I want to zoom in here as she does the pose. So I want the zoom in to start here, so we'll highlight the media, come over to the right hand side and add a keyframe within the position and size. Then move the playhead on slightly. Let's say I want to zoom in there. All you need to do is either drag the player out here in the player like that. You can reposition it at any time here in the player. You can use the position and size here, but we'll leave it at that. Then when you play that, you will have zoomed in on the lady doing the yoga pose. Now if you think that's a little bit too slow, or you want the zoom to start a bit later, you can drag the keyframe here within timeline. Then you can also drag the last keyframe a bit closer, so this will make the zoom much quicker. Let's look. Like that. So let's do a really fast one around here, like that. So that's how to do the zoom effect within CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.